Hi, I'm Priyanka from Tamil Nadu. I'm mother of two kids. I was diagnosed with an autoimmune condition called SLE on September 2023. As I was aware of this nature cure and implemented few of its concepts to my kids, I have seen better improvements in their health. So, immediately after the diagnosis of this condition, I have not taken any medicines prescribed by the doctor, and I immediately jumped into the self healing system. My symptoms were severe fatigue, frequent low grade fevers will be there, little pains, arm pains, muscle pains were there, and frequent loss of appetites were also there. After joining the program and taking one-on-one consultation, I started following the lifestyle and the diet recommendations given by my coaches. Slowly, I started feeling better with my energy. My energy, my energy improved a lot. Almost my fatigues 80% it's gone. My frequent low grade fevers also reduced, and slowly it was I could see lot of improvements on the low grade fevers, and it's also reduced to 80%. My pains started diminishing, and my appetite part is still improving, but I could see some improvements. Nature is healing me, and I could experience a betterment in my health. Yes, I have lost some of my weight, but I'm sure it will also get stabilized in time. And of course, for a lot of people who are obese and want to reduce their weight, this is the most easiest and the healthiest way, to my knowledge, of getting reduced weight. And I thank Dr. Prashanti and Asha ma'am for their knowledge and the support they have given me. They keep on educating me with more and more knowledge about health. So, this was helping me a lot in this healing journey. And I also thank Wellcure for making people like us to be aware of this natural healing system. Thank you so much. Thank you, Wellcure.